Are we going to see home prices go down or even a housing market crash? Should you sell your home now or should you wait? Well, as realtors, we get asked about the state of the local market all of the time and realize that it can be so confusing with the constant changes in the market to know what the best decision is for your family will be. Well, when answering these questions, it's always a good idea to look at the data and what's happening, not just in the local market, but also nationally and globally, so that you can see the big picture and make an educated decision. So let's see what the market looks like here locally. We currently, at the time of this video, have 384 total properties for sale in Long Beach. 241 of those are single-family homes, which is about 110 homes more than what we had for sale just 2 months ago in the month of May, and about 55 more homes active on the market compared to last month. There were 169 homes that closed escrow in June, and the average time to sell was only 12 days, with 121 homes going into escrow within 2 weeks of being listed as active on the market, which is indicative of a seller's market. Of the 169 closed escrows, 52 of them had sold for below the original list price, and 95 of the homes selling at above the original asking amount. So what about the surrounding communities? Well, Huntington Beach had 102 homes close escrow with an average of 14 days on the market. Lakewood also had an average days on market of 14 days for their 66 sold listings in June. Seal Beach closed 12 homes with only 7 days average for active listing duration. Rossmore had 9 homes sell with 15 days on the market. And finally, Los Alamitos had 6 homes sell with 16 days on the market. And it's true that in all of these communities, we have moderately low inventory and we still have fairly strong buyer demand. As a matter of fact, there are 145 homes currently in escrow in Long Beach. However, the average days on market for those properties is 26, and the homes that are active on the market right now have an average of 34 days on the market. And 82 of those 241 homes active on the market already have price corrections. Just a few ways that the market is showing volatility right now. Another way is to see that there is starting to be a change is when looking at the percent of original list price to sales price that the seller is receiving, which for June has dropped 2.5% year over year and reduced 3.1% since just last month. So inventory is up almost 10% since last year at this time. Month supply of inventory is now 1.7 months, up 23% from last year at this time. We aren't seeing as many offers on homes or offered as quickly as we were seeing just a few weeks ago. And the return to buyers once again having some contingencies and even some concessions proves that the market is finally beginning to reposition. So it's important for sellers to shift their strategies as well. The market now is not the same market as just a few months ago. But is it still a good time to sell? Well, the reason for the sudden shift in the market is because interest rates have gone up faster within the last 90 days than in the last 30 years in the speed with which they have gone up. So many buyers can't qualify for nearly the same loan that they could qualify for at the beginning of this year. The interest rates were raised another 0.75% in June, and more interest rate hikes are on the way, it seems, to actively cool the economy and battle against inflation. If you're thinking of selling, now actually would be a good time before they continue to go up even more, because every time the rates increase, monthly amounts for a home loan go up as well. And it takes more prospective buyers out of the pool, creates less buying power, and makes it where buyers have to purchase a home that is less expensive to make up for the difference in interest rates increasing. So if you have questions and need some guidance, feel free to reach out to us at no cost or risk. We've been through markets with much higher interest rates and can help to navigate you through and get you to your real estate goals. This is Stephanie with eXp Realty, and this is how technology, strategies, and service can move you.